Hello folks, Tony's here. Thought I would make a short recording about the new update. I'm still working on this. As you can see, this is the source code, and this is the new update. So the setting tab is now including the CFTC options, where you can download and bring CFTC data in line with the retail traders volumes. I believe CFTC services still stop. Um, we're going to try within a minute due to the US market shutdown, US government shutdown. A new tab is here where you can select any contract, uh, all the available contracts on the CFTC website, including currencies, commodities, silver, gold, cryptocurrencies, every single contract available on the CFTC website. You can find it here, and you have different report types. I'm not sure if everyone is aware of that or not, but CFTC provide three, actually four different report types that are legacy, which is known as the commercial and non-commercials, and then disaggregated groups and trading financial markets as well. Finally, the supplemental contract as well. You would have an option to select between the contracts. First of all, you select a contract you want, either it's currency, crypto, or commodities, and then you select the group type here. Let's go with legacy combined, and then you select the period. Do you want to have like a look at it? This period depends based on your database. How many weeks of data have you downloaded from the website? So all you can select all. You can select YTD, that's year to date. You can select 1 year, 6 months, or 3 months, or 1 month. So it depends your database. How many weeks of data, as you say, you have in your database. So the latest report is 23rd of September 2025, which is available before, which has been published. Sorry, which has been published before the U.S. government shut down. Yeah. So when you select the group type, then you have three tables at the bottom where you can see the legacy, disaggregated, and financial traders. I'm not going into detail of this because I haven't finalized it yet, except to get the actual net volumes or net change for the commercial and non-commercials, and then for the other groups as well. So if you select legacy combined, when you come on these two, you don't see anything because the report type is a legacy. So if you want to see if there is any contracts in the disaggregated group for US index, you just select that and you come to the disaggregated. But no, there isn't actually indeed. But I believe there is trading financial market for others. Let's go with gold. So if you click on G on your keyboard, so it will take you to the G group. So let's select all time. And that's another error. I need to fix it. Okay. So we got disaggregated for gold, but not trading financial market. No, I believe there is trading financial market for gold as well. Oh, I'm on disaggregated. Sorry. Yeah, that is money managers. Yeah. Okay, that's something I need to fix on. But that's how it looks like. So if you go to B for British pound, so we are on TFF, but we don't get a TFF data. Trading financial market. I see that all time. Oh no, there you go. So this is the British pound for trading financial markets, which that are asset managers, dealers, unleveraged funds, and others, and non-reportable traders within the market. As I said, this is the only column for the at the minute I'm looking at here, which is quite promising, and I'm going to explain how to use it um, in line with the retail traders data. The others, I'm also trying to bring uh, the COT data, combine them both together to create a sort of combined analysis between the retail traders and the hedge funds in the market. Because as we know, most of the time retail traders are moving against the actual direction of the market. So for that, um, I'm going to do a combined analysis. And then we have the weekly view. The weekly view is quite complex when you look at it, but I'm going to explain in detail and you know what you're looking at later on. And last but not least, we have the retail trader tab, which is include everything about the retail traders volume analysis. So if I select, oops, not responding, just bear with me a second. Yeah, so if I select yesterday, because market's closed today. So you get all the bands. These are the trade bands, which I'm going to explain in detail later how to use these bands in lines of the price action and the CFTC data. And then we have the order, the order book tab as well. We are on today. Let's go to calendar day, change it to yesterday or any other day. This is the order book tab, and that's the data table tab, where you can see the volumes per the time frame, which is on the 5 minutes now. So that's for all data, all the available data within the database. Well, let's just select one day. Select 24th. So the table here is a bit different compared to the previous version, where you have the longs and short volumes. Now the view is more focused on the contracts. Why the visual is not focused on the volumes on this side? Because we have the absolute volumes change here now with the long and short volumes. I will explain and share lots of trade ideas and analysis how to use a combination of these two together, these two in combination together, and how to look at the volume flows or the contract flows. When you click on the show contracts, this one chart at the bottom shows you the changing contracts for that selected period. And obviously you can select different time frames if you want to look at the data, how it changed, how the data change over 1 hour period, 4 hour period, or a daily, or you can switch to weekly, but then you have to select all available data within the database. So if we select all available data for a UDCAD, and then we can do daily, we can select daily, and that shows you how the volume changed over day to day. But when you select daily, the absolute volume change doesn't show you anything, because the absolute volume change only calculates the volume change for that specific for within intraday, within a day. or you can set it weekly if you trade on a monthly time frame. Where you can see, I might just bring a price, add a price line to this chart, which I believe is not necessary. Just keep it simple. Do not keep it complicated. Let's try to update CFTC data if to see if the service is back or not. So when you want to update your CFTC data, you click on download historical data. You select where from where to where, basically the start and end date. So I'll go with 2025. I'll go with January 2025. 1st of January 25. Let's go to let's go with no let's go 1st of November. So I get all October's data, and then click OK. That's gonna download historical data for all the available CFTC groups. If you look at here, it shows download processing disaggregated features only. So that is downloading the amount of the selected period, and then it goes for all. I might just bring it down here to the activity log later on, where it's more obvious to see. And then when it's finished, you just get this pop-up message that says the historical CFTC data downloaded successfully. Click OK. Well, this should go automatically. I'm gonna fix that as well. Let's go back here. Let's change it to Australian dollar, whatever we have here. Let's go to Bitcoin actually. That's Bitcoin. So when you select automatic, so it will select the report group automatically for the selected contract. So you're on an all-time frame. If you scroll down, no, the service is still shut down because the latest data is 23rd of September. 23rd of September. That's all for Bitcoin, but we don't have any data at the moment, so I'm still waiting for CFTC services to come back. Yeah, so that's how easy it is. All these formattings will be different, but for now that's what you need to see. These are all the available data from the CFTC combined within the retail trader volume analysis in this version, and I'll keep you updated. Bye for now.